Hi, I'm Deborah from Sway Social. Over the last 30 years, I have been in small business and had very successful businesses and learned a lot. Learned a lot about customers, learned a lot about the way in which you treat your customers and the way that you grow your sales by having a great customer base. So over the last 4 years, I've spent much of my time investigating the opportunities on the internet, and what I've come out with is I have created a multitude of courses that will put my knowledge and my 30 years of business success and the last 4 years of internet investigation and success in finding ways to make and thrive with growing traffic and building revenue and growing the sales of your business, whether it be through social media exposure, if you're a bricks and mortar business, or actually on the internet in an affiliate status, which is just very huge opportunities to be able to grow revenue there. So I have put this collection of courses together so that I can show you what I have created and how I feel you can best thrive on the internet and grow your revenue and learn to just love life and love what you do on the internet and make money out of it. So good luck, and I hope these courses are of value to you.